Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is Javed, and in today's video we will talk about the full application process to the University of Modena and Reggio Emilia, which its contracted name is UNIMOR. This university is located in Italy and is a public university. Fortunately, this university neither require IELTS or TOEFL nor application fee. And as per my own experience last year, it gives for the applicants admission or offer more easier than other Italy university. So without wasting time, let's go to the application process. If you're interested to get more information regarding this university, you can type in Google UNIMOR website and go for the UNIMOR portal. Here you can see everything about the facilities and offered degrees for international students. Here you can see English taught programs. If you would like, you can go through this link and see all the offered programs that are fully taught in English. To start our application, we should write UNIMOR call for application 2024. And among the options, we can click on the first option. We should click here, call for application to English courses. I have written this link in the description of this video. Here you can see all the available courses right now for application. These courses are taught in English. Electronics engineering, automation engineering, these are all master's degree and such like. Here you can see international master's program in sustainable industrial engineering and language for communication in international enterprises. This is a degree that is related to those who have gotten their bachelor's in political science, economics, or international relation or management. Okay, so to start our registration, we should click here, preliminary online evaluation. In the new page, we can see online evaluation procedure. We have two procedures, admission procedure and application for evaluation procedure. Those who are interested in advanced automotive engineering and in international management should go for admission procedure, and the rest of applicants who are interested in these faculties or departments should go for evaluation procedure. The registration is the same for both procedure, but next in this video we will show the differences. Now we can click here. In the new page, from this menu, you can change the language to English, and now to go for registration. In the new page, you go down below for this button, registration, and click next. We are foreign students, so we should check this box, next. And in this new page, we need to write all of our personal data. Here I have written my personal data, Ali Ahmad, date of birth, gender, first citizenship, country of birth, and city. So we can now click next. We don't have fiscal code yet. Now the fiscal code is generated and we need to save it somewhere to not get forgotten, okay? Because we will need this code in future. So next, and in this new page we should write all about our permanent address, country, for example, Afghanistan, city, we should write here. So I have completed my personal information, basically my permanent address, country, city, postal code or postcode, and this I didn't know, to be honest, what it is, and here is my address. Okay, this number also I didn't know, but I have put a number randomly. What is this date? This date is the date that we have been living in this permanent address. So if we lived here since our birthday, we can put here our birthday date. But if we changed our permanent address, we can write here the address that we have moved to this new location. And if we don't remember, we can if we don't remember the exact date, we can write the first date of January of that year. Okay, for example, 1st of January 2008, we have moved to this new permanent address. And here is our phone number. If our correspondence address is the same as our permanent address, we should click yes. And if it is different, we should click no. And in the next page, they will ask us our correspondence address. Now our correspondence address is the same as our permanent address, so we can click next. As I said, for document contact, we should choose either permanent address or correspondence address, because we checked that our permanent address is the same as correspondence address. So we can check here this one, and here we should add our email, and if we have fax and other contact details. Okay, I have completed my contact details here, my email, and in this field, because our country code is different from this one, so we should choose this dash line, and here we insert our own country's phone code. Like in case of Afghanistan, it is +93. So here is our mobile phone, and we can leave it as it is. It is not important. And here we should agree with with this portal personal information regulations. So we should click yes. And here, if you want to have contact with your mobile with this university, you should put yes. Otherwise, I have selected no. I don't want to have contact via my phone number. Okay, so now we can click next. So here is all the personal information that are prepared and enough for registration. We should take a look from the beginning to the end, and if we are sure, we can confirm. And these are the details of our login credential. So we can click, we can save at least our username and password in order to not forget for the time that we need to log in to the portal. Sorry. Okay. Now we can perform login action. And in the new page, we can write our username and password. Okay. I guess I forgot to save the notepad file, so we can go back and again save this username and password. But for the second time, if this website is not working, you can click here in this website from a new page, like from Google, Okay, for example, this search words will lead you to this website. Yeah, this is the same website as this. This is now not working because once we clicked on perform login but didn't remember our password. Now our username and passwords are saved, and now we can go from new page to enter or to login. Okay, it does not matter. We can login from here, perform login. Yeah, and now we can go and copy this username and password here. Okay, I have already done this. Now we are into the registered user area. Welcome Ali Ahmed. Okay, now we are in our registered area, and now if you remember, we had two procedures. One was evaluation procedure and the other was admission procedure. I'm talking about the first page of online evaluation. We had two procedure, admission and application for evaluation procedure. And here we can see the differences. If we click here and go to registered visitor area, here we have some options here. Here is the one, admission procedure, and here is the other one, application for evaluation. So if we need to apply for these two degrees, we should select admission, and if we want to apply for these degrees, we should apply for application for evaluation. Click next or evaluation procedure, and we want to apply for a master degree. And here is all the enlisted degrees that were here. Now we can see these degrees here also, AI, digital automation, okay, and the rest of the available degrees. For example, we can apply for for artificial intelligence engineering. We can choose this one. This is the title. This is the field that we should select. Okay, if we, for example, select artificial intelligence, and now we can go next. Yeah, here is the selected faculty. Next. Again, we should review our personal data. Confirm. In the new page, if we require assistance for application, we should click yes, otherwise no. We do not require any assistance, so we click this one, and here is the description of the qualification. Okay, next. In this new page, this is the title of our selected degree. Okay, and this is the name or details. Should click next. If we have any kind of disability, we should enclose our document. Okay, otherwise, if we are not having any disability sign, we can go next. Again, next. Here in this new page, we should write our high school details and our bachelor's detail. In the first section, title of high school, okay, we should insert it. Non-Italian institute, okay, our high school qualification has been achieved in non-Italian country in a non-Italian institute. Type of title, it is a general certificate of secondary education, for example. In case of Afghanistan and even in Pakistan or India, I think there is no much difference. Title description, okay, this is not mandatory. Institute name, attainment here, and these are some details that we should write regarding our high school degree. For example, this is the name of our school. This is the name of our school. This is the graduation year, our mark, and our country and education system. Next. Here, if you have noticed, the status of our high school degree has been turned to green, so it's okay now. But we still need to insert our bachelor's degree. After inserting, this also will be green. So here in the first options, we have 4 options here. We do not need to deal with any other options. The first one is for foreigners, so foreign degree. Okay, insert. In this new page, if our degree is gained, we should click this one. Country and other university name and details are necessary to be written here. So our university is not listed. Because of that, we can write here the name of our university. I have written the details. You can write it with your own personal or bachelor's degree specification. Okay, in case of mine, for example, it is Bachelor of Science. The name of my degree is Electrical Engineering, so duration is 4 years, and this is the awarding date which I have graduated. This is the academic year that I graduated in, and this is my final marks, that is 75 per 100. Next. And now this status turned to green, so our work is complete in this step. Next. Now we are in this new page. We are in a stage that we need to upload all the relative documents for the chosen degree. Okay, so we need to click yes. We need to click yes to attach our documents in the next step. For example, here we can select the type of degree. First, we can start from study qualification certificate, because we need to upload our bachelor's transcript and certificate. So we choose select qualification certificate, and for example, here we can write B is C, bachelor's of science. Okay, and now we can select the file. Sorry. For example, now we want to upload our bachelor's diploma here, being uploaded now. Okay, yeah. If we want to describe about this qualification, we can have a few words here. Otherwise, we can go next. As you can see here, the study qualification certificate BSc is uploaded. Now we can go for our next documents to upload that one also. Okay, type again we can select qualification, and now we can select transcript. Okay, again we should choose our file, bachelor's transcript, and upload. Yeah, it's been finished. Next. And you can see that our transcript is also available here. Okay, in this method we can upload any relative document that we think is beneficial for this degree, is related to this degree. For example, we can if we have international language certificates like IELTS or TOEFL, we can upload from this option. For example, I see here TOEFL. Have TOEFL. We can upload that document here. If we don't have, it does not matter. Still our application will be submitted and will be completed, will be complete TOEFL. So now next. Yep, we can see that now our TOEFL certificate is also has been uploaded here. So here is the evaluation procedure requires the following documents or qualification which will be assessed. We need to upload these qualifications or certificates for the major that we have chosen, which was automotive engineering. Maximum score, if we have, we can also add that from this link again. Other skill acquired, okay, any other qualification, if you have any local certificate of English from local institutes, you can upload from here. This is the international language. Okay, a list of exam passed, some exams that you have taken during your college or school, or any specific exam if you have taken. You can click onto this option. List of exam is still to be taken. If you have if you want to participate for an upcoming exam, but still the result is not released or the exam is not being taken, you can write this one and the title and details regarding that exam. For some other qualification, here they will require you motivation letter. Here you have the option for motivation letter. So in that case, you need to have motivation letter. Otherwise, if you have prepared a good and competing motivation letter, you can select any other qualification or other skill acquired, and here you can write motivation letter, for example, and upload your motivation letter here. It does not matter if you upload your motivation letter under a different title. So if you have, you can add your motivation letter. For example, this is our motivation letter. Okay, here it is internship, but we assume that this is our motivation letter. So here basically you can add all the relative documents to the major or master's degree that you apply for. Any relative certificate, qualification, work experience, internship, or any other qualification you can add and click next. After that, you think all the necessary documents are being uploaded, you can go for the final stage. In order to do that, we should select no and go for the next stage. Yeah, here is all the materials and documents that we are uploaded, that we have been uploaded. Okay, next. Here you can choose the embassy of Italy in which you would go for interview. If you live in Pakistan, you can search for Italy embassy in Pakistan, or if you live in India, you can choose that one. But for Afghan students, because there is no embassy of Italy inside Afghanistan, they need to fill or select either embassy of Italy in Pakistan or in Iran. Okay, here we can write the specification of that embassy. So we need to, are you an international student with foreign qualification? Yep. We need a visa. Okay, here they have said that we should select the location in which we'll go for interview. Embassy of Italy in Tehran. I have selected this one. Next. The questionnaire was not confirmed, so we need to confirm our selected embassy. We need to confirm this one. Confirm. Okay, the questionnaire was confirmed. Can exit now. Yeah, as you can see, this field has turned to green, and we selected our location for interview or for visa processing. Again, next, data, yes, and next. Okay, again, we should click yes and next. In the next step, if we click save the data, yeah, if we click on this button, save the data, our application will be submitted. Here is the name of a major that we have chosen. Okay, here is the details, and you can click save the data. Yeah, here is our application summary. This is the name, educational year. This is the okay, request for assistance, no, and these are the uploaded documents. Now, because the print application is available for us, we know that our application has been submitted. Here it is written. If you see the button print application, your application is complete and you will no more be able to change it. We have already submitted our application, and to not lose the data, the material that we uploaded and our personal information, we can print application to save the details. Here is the details of what we applied for. Okay, thank you. This was the end of application procedure for the Unimore University. Thank you for watching my video. If you see my video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.